Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to use your GitHub project and like how you can invite your how you can assign your task to your team members. So let's quickly move ahead. Yep. So as you see, I have this project called Airbnb landing page. Tell me. So now once you open this page, you will see something kind of this repository. And if you create any issues, then you will see some kind of issues will be there, right? So let's say I have created these two issues. So these two issues is there and two are open itself. So now if I click on project, so let's say just remove this project. Yeah. So now if you click on this project section, then you will see something kind of this kind of UI. So now if you click on this arrow button, then you will see link the project. This is already selected. Now, if you click on this link project, then you can find something called create new project section, right? So just click on it. Yep. If I click on it, you will see something kind of table, board, and roadmap. These three features that can be available. So if you click on table and then create a project. Yep, there you go. So if I click on project and create a project, then something kind of this kind of UI is you will find. So now let's say I need to select my this project, which is if you press hash, then you will find all the project which are available on your repository. All the project will be shown to you. Now first I'm going to select this Airbnb landing page tailwind. So just click on it. Then you will find these two issues are already created. So these two issues are showing over here. So let's say you need to create any different issues. Let's say if I click on create new issues, then you'll find something kind of this here. So here you can create the issues. Just write down the issues title. Let's say footer, right? And in footer might be you have different sections. So if you click on this button, and here you can write down your issues. Let's say in footer we have two different kind of options. Let's say footer one, footer footer two, or might be footer contacts contact section mainly. Okay. So once you create that once you write down the detail about your issues, and once you write down the issues name title, let's say footer section, right? So if you can create the issues, if you create the issues, then you'll find something kind of footer section is created. Now you can assign this task to someone else. Let's say if you click on this arrow, then you will find different people. Let's say you already invited to your team members, right? So if you search here the team members name, you will also got the suggestion of team members name as well. In my case, there is a no team members I haven't added in my project, so that is why it's not showing. In your case, it should show. So if you search on over here, let's say I assign to myself itself. So if you click on it, click on this name, and then if you click on other places, then you will see assign is selected. Now this is status. The status is showing to do. So all these tasks and issues should be created by team lead, and team lead should assign the task to each team member, right? Yeah. So status should be shown over here. And let's say, for example, first you should assign the task to some team member, like let's say member one, and this status should be to do, right? That means this test issues is assigned to that particular person. Once this particular person working on these issues, then this responsibility to that team member one, and he or she needs to select that in progress. So once he start working on that issues, then he or she should be selected this in progress. Once this member one is completed his like that particular task, then this person can select this done just by that. So yeah, this is how you can select it, and this is how the issues you can create. Let's say you wanted to create multiple issues. Let's say you wanted to create home page intro wala, that you already created the issues. That issues you can find over here. And similarly, you can choose the person. Let's say I just chose myself, and you can choose the to do or in progress status. So first it should be to do's and then in progress and then done. So this is how you can create it. Now, next you can see the title of this project. So let's say I need to click on, I need to change the title of this project. Let's say I need to change Airbnb, uh, uh, Airbnb landing page, UI, right? Okay. So if I click on it and if I click on save changes, then you will see this should be save changes. So let me go back and you'll see something like this UI changes. So now this is the table kind of view. Now you wanted to choose any board view. So if you use this board view, then you will find this kind of board view. So first I have assigned this to do task, right? This particular person. So this particular person can drag this task to in progress and in progress to done. If it is not done, then you can also drag it to this in progress section. So you can drag it in like this one, and you can choose, you can click on add task again here itself. You can add the task, you can create the issues, right? And you can assign that particular person. Let's say this home page issues is already created. Now this person wanted to type something. Let's say this features is while creating these features, they might facing difficulties, right? So what this person can do, this person can come here and this person can type something. Let's say while creating the napper, uh, how to add the icons. So this person can type over here like this way, like how to do this. He can commit it. So once he committed it, you will see some kind of like the questions or whatever this person asked. This is showing over here. And if any other team members know the answer or know anything, like know the solutions or anything about this query, if you wanted to say something regarding this query, this person can again come here and click on it, and this person can see this questions or this queries, and this person can again commit it over here, right? So this is how you can use it. So now once you've done this progress, then you will see, if I click on it, this issue is closed, right? This issue status is closed. So if you drag this issue to here, this should be closed. Here you will see this is open and this is closed, right? So yep. So I just drag it to this open in progress section. So now you will see this should be in progress. Might take time a little bit. We will, okay, if I refresh the page, then this should be open. Okay. Okay. For now, I think we can change it as well. Reopen the issues. Yep. If you click on reopen the issues, they should be open. Cool. So now let's say you already completed this three section: intro, text styling, intro SVG, and intro toggling. These three things is completed. You can click on it and it will be marked as a tick, right? So this is how you can do this. This is how you can use sufficient of your GitHub project. And we are going to track your GitHub project, how many issues you are creating, how many issues are in progress, how many issues are completing for each of your team members, and try to use sufficiently your GitHub project. Try to convert your the task into a smaller chunk of part. Let's say you are assigned a home page. In home page, there might be 4 or 5 different type of section, right? So try to divide that subsection to different issues, and then you can assign that issues to your team member. So team lead should be created that issues and this project section, and a team lead should be assigned that task to particular person. So yeah, I hope you understood. Thank you.